Madin Mazim, I'm back again. So each year since I started my blog on this channel, I come across an artist who might not even know about, who just blows me away. It's actually one of the things that I look forward to the most each and every year, finding that unexpected delight. So in 2019, that artist was Masa Caroleen with her debut album, Pamusoro. So now 2019 revived my love for radio because of the insane load shedding that we experienced at Siko. Most of the times, actually, at Tarara, so I would be listening to the radio nearly all of the day. And one of the DJs that I listen to quite a lot was So Profound on ZFM. Now, he plays a lot of soulful music, and what I also got to realize that I enjoy soulful music quite a lot. He then introduced me to the track Pie, and I immediately, instantly fell in love with the track. But for some reason, not after the track would have played, now we know what was the artist who sang this song. Panajai together, missed the name. But after a couple of shows, and finally got not the name of the artist, and I immediately jumped online, started researching more about Masa. And to my joy, I realized that she just released her debut album. So again, I immediately jumped onto the album and started streaming. And I have to say that I enjoyed listening to the album. It's so soulful, and nowadays a lot of artists, they are now rushing to create the biggest club banger, the biggest party track, or to create that new trend. Very few artists really still want to make music that speaks to the soul. And because of that, this album was quite refreshing to listen to. And Pamusoro is one of those albums whereby I can just press play and let it play for hours and hours. It's just beautiful to listen to. Now, in terms of the production, the album is produced very well. Not the vibe and the mood of the whole album is on point. The instrumental arrangements on the tracks, they're quite diverse. You get some neo soul, you get some Afro jazz, you get some Afro house, you get some Afro fusion. But one thing that sort of knits together all these different genres is the soulfulness that Masa brings to the tracks. Now, if you go to in terms of the themes, this album mainly covers topics about love, relationships, and also some other social issues that affect quite a number of women. And you can get with Masa, this album is sort of mixed. Masa is also sharing her personal experiences and those experiences that she has probably seen. Like, for example, I will take the track Majet. Now, this track, Masa is just narrating how she met her husband, and she does it in this lively and playful mood, in this playful way, and it just perfectly fits the overall mood and theme of the track. Then we can go to another track, Hagari. This track, Masa is just not sharing her thoughts on that issue of who should leave the marital home. In that case, Rumi Anne Zageza, the crazy stuff. And she's saying not Hagari is the one who messed up, so he's the one who should leave. Then we also go to the super soulful Zelo. And this track is just talking about the plight of workers. Not every worker, they want to be shown their worth, they want to be rewarded and remunerated accordingly. So she's just talking about that need for one to be shown their worth wherever. So in terms of themes, I have to say they are tackled quite well. And in the vocal department, I have to say that Master delivered a solid performance throughout this whole album. Her vocals are soulful, they're powerful. She just proved that she is one of the vocalists everyone should definitely keep an eye on in the coming years. So now to just conclude this summary review, I have to say all of the aspects of this album, they're just on point. The production is done well, the vocals, they're done well, the themes, they're well tackled, and the overall mood and vibe of the whole album is just on point. Now, my favorite track on this whole album is Pie, and on that track, Masa and Dimwenje, they complemented each other beautifully, and they delivered one of an amazing love song, and I believe it's a track that will easily get onto the list of classic Sim love songs. And for me, I truly believe that if the award organizers in Zimbabwe really casted their nets wide, the track 5 should have gotten a nomination amongst the collaboration of the year. It's just a fantastic track. And also, in fact, Masa herself should have gotten a nomination among the female artist of the year. She did. She had a very successful 2019, and she did quite a lot as compared to some other names that were nominated in that category. But so because of that, I enjoyed listening to this album, and which was my highest rated album of 2019. Gave it a 9 out of 10. I definitely do recommend this album if you're looking for some soulful goodness, not in your playlist. So, also starting with the career was such a solid project. It just makes the follow up way harder. So, I'll be very much looking forward to see how Masa is going to handle that. So, for those of you who have managed to listen to the album, Pamusoro, go in the comment section, share with me your thoughts and views on the album. And for those that put not maybe it's your first time hearing the name, Masa Caroleen, I'll post the link below where you can go and stream the album. And afterwards, come there, share with me your thoughts. And after that, you know, just like the video, subscribe to the channel. See you again next time.